up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to enable the do not track signal on Mozilla Firefox web browser into a simple, fast and effective method. This gonna share to every single website that you access a signal that says do not track me. The website can honor this request or not. This is up to the website. Most websites, for example visualmodo.com, have this option enabled, so no needs. If you say do not track, we do not track, but this is up to the sites. Okay, so simple, easy and effective, and you can do this for free on your browser to protect your online privacy. Okay, how to do this? First thing, take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, review the upper right corner of your Mozilla Firefox. Right under the X icon there is these three lines right here. Click on it and go to the bottom where we see the option settings. Click on it. Now review the left sidebar of menus. We have general, home, search, privacy and security. We're gonna focus into this option right here. You scroll down just a little bit and right here we have website privacy preferences. Okay, and the option that you have to mark is this one: tell websites not to sell or share my data. So this is the do not track option from Mozilla Firefox. Okay, this is gonna say to websites so to do not track the information, to do not sell the information. Okay, and all you have to do is mark this option and you are good to go. Simple, easy and very effective. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.